Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an unboxing for you. I feel like it's been a while. So this purchase was from a UK based company called The One with the Diamond Art. One thing I will say is that I did order this a while ago and it's been sat to one side of my desk and I just hadn't got around to doing an unboxing. So hopefully everything will be okay. Because it's a little bit late now if it's not, but that's my fault, not theirs. So let's get into this. Hopefully that was enough for me to break in. Yeah. So as I say, these guys are based in the UK. I think they have a mixture of UK stock and non-UK stock, and I've never purchased from them before, so it will be interesting to see. So we've got plain white box. It was delivered to me via Yodel and shipping was only £3, so I was quite happy with that. And from what I remember, it did arrive very swiftly. It's just, as I say, I've taken an absolute age to get round to actually doing this unboxing. So there should be 2 paintings in here. Oh, okay, so I can see that we've got a nice soft backing, sort of soft felted backing, which is lovely. Let's make a bit more space. Okay, so, yes, there is 2 in here. Okay, so first things first, so this is the main reason that I was shopping with them. This very gorgeous piece of artwork. So this is called The Darkness Within. I just checked on their site and unfortunately it isn't available anymore, but there are similar images. I will pop some links down below so that you can see. So this is a 40 by 60 in round, I believe with ABs. Yes, I believe so. It is we've got a seared edge on the canvas. As I say, it's got this felted back, which is lovely. We've got poured glue. And that is lovely and sticky. So this should calm down and start behaving pretty quickly because it is a decent quality canvas. Also on the bottom of the canvas we've got all of their social details. So we've got the one with the diamondart.com, we've got a help email address, and they've got Facebook, so plenty of ways to get in touch with them. I do like these little additions down the side of the canvas where we've got these diamond-y images. It's really nice, and of course at the top it says The One with the Diamond Art. So in terms of our oh dear, I've just seen some very pretty crystals. Oh, okay. So these are our crystals. We have got a legend and what's the word? Oh gosh. No, the word's gone out of my head. A list. So yeah, so this will be brilliant if you're like me and you want to kit up into the little jars or pots. You can just cut the symbol and the colour off of this list, and then using something like I've got the Xyron sticker maker, you will be able to then make your stickers that way. I've got a little image on here as well of the picture, which will be nice to be able to add that to my logbook. And yeah, we've got 2 ABs, a 310 AB and a 550 AB. 550 is my favourite colour. And look at these. Oh my goodness. I probably am not doing them justice. I'll put my other light on, that will make a difference. These are just stunning. So yeah, if you don't know already, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. So it's a sort of rainbow type coating on the drills, which makes them shine much like the Aurora Borealis in the sky. So this is a 550 base drill, which is a nice deep purple, with then this coating on top. The other AB that we should have is a 310. Let's see if we've got that in here. Ooh. No. Yes. What? Okay. I will be checking with them because these are just a regular 310 and they should be a... Yeah. I'm going to check because the R seems to denote that it's an AB or a special drill in some description, but this isn't. This is just a regular 310. So I will check with them, but as I say, I have had this sat waiting to be unboxed for a couple of months, and so if there's any problems, technically it's my bad because I didn't look at it soon enough. That'll teach me. But anyway, it's not a problem. As you can see, all of the drills come pre-bagged, which is lovely. So if you don't want to kit up, you could work straight out of the bags. Seem to be very good quality drills. Can't see anything that looks particularly trashy. Obviously, we're looking at lots of different earthy tones because of the nature of the picture. Right, so crinkling over. I can just pop this back in here so I know what drills these are. I'm sure you're all shouting at me because I can't remember the name of that bit of paper and what it's called. I'm going to be yelling at myself later. If by the time I'm editing this I can remember, I'll pop it in the thing. Right, put those off to one side. Okay, so you also get a kit and the standard toolkit. This is lovely that it comes in a little bag. That's always adorable. Ordinarily, if I get the option of ordering without a kit, I will do, but because this was the first time ordering from this company, I wanted to get the full experience. So we get a standard drill pen with a single tip, and that's maybe a 6, maybe 5 or 6, and a squishy to save your fingers. Oh, we also get, is that? Yes, we've got another multi-placer and a 3-placer as well. A little pot of wax, which is always nice. We've got how many little, so we've got 3 plates of pink wax in a little pot. I love these little pots, they come in very handy and they do keep your wax nicer. I find it lasts longer. And we've got some Hello Kitty washi tape. Oops, which I've just ripped. But there you go, you can now see the patterning on that. So we've got Hello Kitty, we've got a donut, we've got some sort of dessert, more donuts, and it says too sweet. So yeah, like that a lot. Okay. So, and then of course you get your Mosfa style tray, and also get some pretty sharp tweezers. So all good stuff, absolutely everything that you would need. You're not going to need anything else if you don't want anything else in order to complete this painting. And that is really all you're looking for in a kit, is, particularly if you're looking to gift a painting, you want to be able to gift a painting that people can complete without having to spend any more money. So because I bought 2 paintings, I do get 2 kits. The only thing that's different in this one is the, so in this one you get, I think that might be an 8, possibly a 10 placer, so you get a slightly bigger placer in that one, and different washi. This one has got bunnies on it, so it's very seasonal considering. Oh, can I peel that? Let's see. So it's little bunnies and little sort of puzzle pieces, so that's really cute. I like that a lot. There you go, you can have a look at that. And of course we get our waxes as well, so very lovely, no problems there at all. The other thing that I got was this canvas, which is a mystery. So this is also poured glue, but comes with a white plastic coating in order to keep the mystery for us. It is square, and it is, what size is it? It is 30 by 30. So we'll have a little look at the diamonds, and then I will just peel back so we can have a look at the symbols. Certainly the symbols on the other painting looked perfectly clear. There was no problem at all with those, and they were just alphanumeric. I didn't look at how many colours the other one was. So the first one is 38 colours. This one obviously is a lot smaller. It's 28 colours. We are still in the very earthy tones. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm concerned. What's going on? Oh, I'm gonna kick myself. Seriously, what is going on? I've got 2 bags here with nothing in. Okay. I am going to go and message the company, because it's not fair of me to give them a poor review, or, you know, to give them, you know, the wrong opinion. But that is a little bit concerning to get 2 empty bags. I'm sure there's just been a problem in packing. But the actual quality of these drills does look good. Yeah, nice flat backs on them from what I can see. We've got, again, alphanumeric symbols. That's just very weird. I'll taste that and I'll do a little follow-up for you. But before we go and do that, let's have a little look at the canvas. Oh, yeah, I won't show you too much because you can probably tell what these things are. The trouble with mysteries is that if you've got a good enough eye, then you can start seeing what the pattern is, just based on the gaps in the lettering and things. So, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this one. I probably won't get a chance to work on it anytime soon anyway, but I am gonna chase up with them about those missing drills. Because yeah, there should be, let me just check it against this listing as well. So we're missing the whites, the blacks, and potentially one other colour. 3371. Is that in here? I think I might have to go through and actually check that they're all here, because I don't know. It's 3371, I can't see it. Oh, yeah, see. So it looks like there's been a problem with adding in the special drills because they're not here. So it's fine. It's one of those things that happens. So I'm going to stop this video now. I'm going to go chat to the company and I will come back to you as soon as I've got an answer.
Editing Ari, just popping in here to say what wonderful customer service I have received from the one with the diamond art. They were lovely, really have gone over and above to sort out this problem, which, whilst, yes, shouldn't have happened in the first place, I should have picked it up much sooner than I did. And you'll be pleased to know that they have agreed to send me replacement drills. So I'm just waiting for those to arrive, and I will do a little unboxing of those when they do. So there we go. All's well that ends well.
Say thank you for watching. I will certainly do a follow-up video so that you can see what's going on with this one. In the meantime, if you want to make sure that you find out, remember to hit the bell icon to be notified of my next video. And remember to like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Covenant. And I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!
I just want to take this opportunity to give a huge shout out and thanks to my generous patrons. That is, in the outer circle, John Chidlow, Dylan Falconer and the wonderful Maisie's Madhouse. Find her on YouTube. And in the inner circle, the lovely Katerina Seplova.